Yeah, I want to do a short update on not the fish tank, but that's what the fish tank looks like right now. I'll do a thing on the aquarium later on. So I'm doing. I'm going to do what show you what I got done so far on train engine. So I don't engine house. I don't know if I should be calling this video 7 because I don't think that's pretty high up. So this is what my engine house. Whoop, you looked at me. Shame on you. Here's my. I got a new setup here. I got to figure things out. I'm not on the train. I'm not on the train anymore. There's the train table. Oops. There's the train table layout. If people see my other videos, I had an entertainment center in here, and I took that down. I moved all my son's ships upstairs and my grandson's cars he had collected. I moved that all upstairs. I started carrying the entertainment center upstairs, but it fell apart, so I just broke that all down and did away with that. But then I moved. I had another desk in my bedroom, so I moved that from my bedroom in here. Now I got my computer and my most of my workbench right here on this new setup here. I don't know if you can see all of this. See, I got that all set up. I still got to get organized. I'm still working on that part. Oops. That's not a gun. That's a pellet gun. Belonging to my son and my dog. I mean, grandson. My grandson's pellet gun. Sniper one, too. It's pretty nice. But here is the train engine house. It's not coming in very good. But there's my roof. That was that spray painting stuff. I don't know. I think it looks okay. So that's what I gotta get done. I gotta. I'm gonna make this roof removable because I still want to put lights in there because it's here's the side. I got some of the trim done. I still gotta get more trim on there. Oops. Still gotta get more trim on there. Here's my windows. Well, they don't focus very good. Maybe I'll have to get a new, better camera. So there's the windows. It's really dark in here when I got the roof on there. There's the door, which is really actually fake. But I'm gonna put a little platform and some steps going here. So I got the foundation on the bottom. I still want to put more trim down here. Actually, the paperwork shows trim along here. And I still gotta work on doors. See how dark it is in there? Not dark with this cam, but it's dark in there. More on this side. And I got a couple of questions I have to figure out, so I gotta read you all this up here. So here's the back side, all the windows. And then I did the inside with brick. So I got a brick lining in there, all down in there. I think it looks kind of nice, fancy in there. But it's so dark when you got the lid on, so I want to get some kind of lighting and put in here. What I want to do, just put a couple little lights in there, you know. Okay, some of the questions I have, or a couple of questions, is I watched other people building engine house, and the track is. It seems like the track is embedded in the floor. So do I need to? It's not too late because I can always flip this over. and cut. You know, I could put the track here and mark it and then cut it. And I thought the way it looks like the track is there's opening. Mattel is just um, did a big roundhouse, and there was openings for the track and the floor. Do I need to do anything like that, or what? Or am I going to put the track, on top? So I need to know something about that. I had a hard time keeping some of this glued. This is broke again, and I still got doors. I got some doors figured out, and I want to make them where they're workable. Where I can open and close them. Open and close. I'm not making them automatic, or nothing like that. And then I both have uh, vents on top. So this is the only vent I have come up with. Is this one right here? Because the instructions the blueprints are showing this kind of a vent. I don't know if that's too big or do I need to cut it down. I sprayed the same kind of stuff on the roof of this, but it needs to be redone again. I'm thinking like something dirty or something. Sorry, fingers. But that's what I got done so far. So any recommendation on suggestions on the track is mostly what I'm worrying about right now. I'm going inside. All right, that's what I got done so far. I don't know if I need to cut this. I might leave this ledge here though. Plus, I still got to get more trim to cover up this crack on top. I got to do that too. Well, that's what I got so far, guys. Thank you, thank you for watching. Ding that bell and subscribe.